This video is sponsored by Obey. Lately, I've been feeling really lethargic, tired, sluggish. I haven't been exercising, I've been falling asleep on the couch, and I've been eating way too much junk food. I've been procrastinating, turning things in late, and struggling to find things that should be easily found. But hey, it happens. Sometimes we lose our motivation, and that's okay. What's more important is making sure we don't live in that space. So today, I'm going to show you my daily routine that I've created in order to keep myself active, productive, present, and creative, and take back control of my life. I've been setting my alarm at 7 a.m. Lately, I've just been waking up naturally, but I found that alarms just give me that sense of urgency. It motivates me to start my day, plus I like the routine of waking up at the same time every day. I actually took my phone charger out of my room and put it in the living room instead because I noticed that I spent way too much time just scrolling through social media instead of starting my day. So in order to combat that tendency, I just made it harder to do so. Another thing that I did is I made one rule for myself, which is no social media until 12 p.m. And it's been working out really well for me. The first thing that I do when I wake up is write in my 5-minute journal. I write down 3 things that I'm grateful for, and then a sentence or 2 about how I can make my day better. This just helps me stay present, mindful, and intentional as I go through my day. Then I make my bed and walk to the kitchen to drink water to rehydrate my body and take my birth control and antidepressants. I've been taking 10 milligrams of Lexapro since last year, and I've been having the best experience with it. Because I've been feeling so sluggish and lethargic, I decided to start challenging myself to get active every single day, whether that's yoga, a stretch, or a workout, or some combination of the 3. I just make sure that I'm moving my body since most of my work consists of sitting on the computer for a majority of the day. I recently started using Obey, which is an at-home fitness platform that has an entire library of on-demand boutique fitness classes. What's particularly unique about Obey is that they also offer live classes every single day at different times throughout the day. They also have a bunch of structured workout programs, which is really nice in case you feel overwhelmed by the options and you just want to start working out. Personally, I started the endorphins program because, like I said, I've been feeling quite fatigued, so this program boosts my endorphins and just gets me feeling better. There are so many benefits to working out. It helps build bone density, it can improve your energy levels, it's good for your heart, and it can just make you feel good. Although it's difficult to get started sometimes, I never feel bad after a workout. I always feel better after working out. And what I love about Obey is that there are so many different classes to choose from, so there's something for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. If you're interested in trying Obey for yourself, you can use the code ASIA50 or click the link in the description box down below for 50% off your first month.
Whew! I feel great. I mean, the program is called Endorphins and I do feel good, so I don't know if you can tell how much I'm sweating, but that was a fantastic workout.
Next, I'm going to make a breakfast smoothie. Breakfast is different every day, but I love breakfast smoothies in particular because they're easy to make and they're easy to digest. Also, they just make you feel healthy because you get to pack in a lot of vitamins and nutrients. If you're interested in how I make my morning smoothies, I'll leave the recipe in the description box down below. I have to take my vitamin D supplement with food and water. That's why I didn't take it along with my antidepressants, so I'm just taking them now. At this point, I will shower, do my skincare, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. I still haven't checked social media as it's not 12 p.m. yet, and I'm feeling pretty good being disconnected for a bit as I just take care of myself in the morning. Social media can wait. I hate that anxious feeling I used to get when I haven't checked my phone in a while, but since I've been doing the no social media until 12 p.m. rule, things have been going pretty great. By 9:30, I'm ready to start working. I used to start my day responding to emails and doing other admin tasks, but I noticed that I used all of my energy to do those tasks, and later on, when I needed to do the bigger stuff, my energy has already been depleted. So what I do now is I do all of the big energy-consuming stuff at the beginning of the day, and then I do the easier stuff later on when the big stuff are done. I also used to try to multitask, for example, responding to emails in between editing a video, but switching between tasks like that prevents me from getting into a flow. So it actually took me a longer time to get any task done because my focus was divided, which made me more distracted. Now what I do is I dedicate around 60 to 90 minutes doing larger tasks completely uninterrupted, and what I found is that I get way more stuff done in an even shorter period of time. So this is why my social media rule is so important. It's really important for me to get into a focus flow so that I can just get things done and just out of the way. You know what I'm saying? Those are just some of the tips that I've implemented into my daily and morning routine to stay focused and productive. I hope this video could provide some helpful tips for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Obey, for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll leave that discount code and link in the description box down below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.